Yo, Auto Intel fam. Let's talk about the Tesla Model 2's design, how it's being built, and why it's gonna flip the car market upside down. We don't make cars worse than our last ones, every Tesla's better, cheaper, and built for everyone. Imagine a battery tweak that adds 20% range to the Model 2 and saves you $5,000. That's a brand new Tesla for less than a high-end laptop. By switching from $1.57 per kilowatt-hour LFP pack to sodium-ion cells at $40 per kilowatt-hour, Tesla saves over $800 on a 53 kilowatt-hour battery. That could mean a Model 2 under $25,000, changing the EV game in America. So, what's the design, how's Tesla making it, and what's it mean for gas cars? Let's get into it with Auto Intel. The Model 2 is a 5-door hatch, just under 4 meters long, smaller than a VW Golf but as roomy as a Model 3 thanks to a flat battery pack and wheels pushed to the corners. Its drag coefficient, rumored at 0.23 or less, saves energy on highways. Lightweight composite panels keep it around 1,600 kilograms, even with a 55 to 60 kilowatt-hour battery. Tesla's design boss, Franz von Holthausen, says it'll have a sleek Model Y vibe with a clamshell hatch for tight parking spots. Supplier leaks show a 3-piece cast rear structure. Tesla's avoiding full Giga casting to keep repairs and costs low for base models. Inside, it's simple but smart. Smaller alloy wheels save $500, single-pane glass, and a single-color light instead of the Model 3's 256 colors. You get fabric seats, no heating or ventilation, cutting another $500. The sound system's 7 to 9 speakers, not 15 plus, and the hatch opens manually. The hood's bare metal. These keep it affordable while staying fun to drive. Tesla's aiming for utility, not luxury here, so you still get that sharp touchscreen UI and minimalist layout, but with less flash and more function. Production is Tesla's superpower. Their Unboxed assembly process cuts costs by 50%, targeting a bill of materials under $20,000. The Model 2 starts in Giga Shanghai, then hits Europe and Texas. Shanghai's local LFP supply dodges tariffs, and its line builds a Model Y in 33 seconds. The Model 2, with fewer parts, might hit 20 seconds, cranking out 10,000 cars a week, twice the Model 3's peak. Fremont and Texas will share U.S. production, with lines ready by June 2025 for quick deliveries. The battery uses BYD-style blade LFP cells for safety and long life, packed structurally to save weight. It's flexible, so Tesla can swap in sodium-ion or 4,680 cells. That sodium-ion option. Game-changing. Sodium-ion boosts range from 310 to 370 miles, cuts charge time to 10 minutes, and saves $530 per pack. Q1 2025 tests show sodium-ion hitting 160 watt-hours per kilogram, 6,500 cycles, and no thermal runaway up to 400 degrees Celsius. It charges fast, handles cold better, and doesn't rely on expensive, ethically complex materials like cobalt or nickel. Tesla's even working with CATL and Chinese suppliers to speed up sodium-ion production. This flexibility in battery sourcing helps Tesla scale fast and meet local requirements, especially in regions with strict supply chain laws like the US and Europe. The market impact is gonna be huge. In Europe, EV sales jumped 28% in early 2025, driven by sub-$28,000 cars like BYD's Dolphin. In the US, the Bolt EUV and Leaf start at $29,000, but the Model 2's $24,995 price, plus a $7,500 US credit, could drop to $22,500. That beats gas cars like the Nissan Versa and pulls buyers with Tesla's supercharger network and self-driving tech. And let's be honest, people who hesitated on EVs mainly did so because of price. The Model 2 ends that excuse. Rivals like Volkswagen's ID.2 all are delayed to 2026, giving Tesla a lead. In China, a $23,600 to $25,000 Model 2 with tax breaks hits $21,500, matching BYD. Tariffs are key. Texas or Mexico builds keep prices low, but Shanghai faces 100% U.S. duties, pushing costs to $60,000 to $65,000. In Europe, Berlin's 10% tariffs and incentives like France's $4,300 bonus keep it at $22,900. India's 15% tariff for sub-$35,000 EVs could mean $24,300. That's within reach for millions of first-time buyers. This isn't just about price either. Tesla's in-house tech is years ahead. Every Model 2 comes with the latest autopilot hardware, full OTA software update capability, and access to the fastest, most reliable charging network on the planet. Tesla's ecosystem gives buyers confidence. It's not just a car, it's a full digital experience, always improving. This kind of integration is what other carmakers are still struggling to replicate. The timeline's solid. April 2025 drone footage showed wrapped Model 2 prototypes at Giga, Texas, with a shorter wheelbase than the Model Y. Reuters 2024 supplier quotes for a Redwood crossover confirm 10,000 units a week by June 2025. Tesla's Q1 2025 SEC filing says new cars start production in the first half of 2025 on existing lines. A camouflaged Tesla in India and earlier Texas sightings back the plan. Internally, Tesla staff have leaked that pilot builds began in late March 2025 with over 100 pre-production units completed for crash tests, endurance tests, and battery validation. Also worth noting, Tesla is planning for future expansion already. The Model 2's platform will support not just hatchbacks, but compact SUVs, vans, and even robotaxi versions down the line. That same platform could carry over to self-driving fleets with full autonomy once regulators approve. It's more than just a cheap EV, it's Tesla's next-gen global foundation. And with Tesla continuing to refine its AI and Dojo computing infrastructure, the self-driving capabilities of the Model 2 could evolve rapidly post-launch. That's another layer of value, especially in dense urban markets where autonomous ride-hailing could change how people move. What's more, the Model 2 fits neatly into Tesla's sustainability goals. Sodium-ion production has a much lower environmental footprint than traditional lithium mining. It uses abundant materials, creates fewer emissions, and can be recycled more easily. This plays into Tesla's bigger strategy to not just sell more cars, but lead in ethical, green innovation. So where does that leave the competition? Frankly, scrambling. Legacy automakers are trying to catch up while dealing with battery shortages, software delays, and outdated factories. Tesla's first-mover advantage in battery tech, manufacturing efficiency, and AI means it's operating on a totally different level. The Model 2 could do for the EV market what the iPhone did for smartphones, bring it to the masses and reshape the industry. What do you think? Will the Model 2's design and production disrupt the market? Can a sub-$25K Tesla really make gas cars obsolete? Drop your thoughts below, and thanks for watching Auto Intel. Like, share, and subscribe for more Tesla EV news. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Catch you next time.